Hi everybody. Okay, what we got here, it's an ESP8266 Mini Pro Wemos. We got a Nokia LED display, and I put a pot. The reason why I put a pot is because sometimes you can't see the text. Okay, so this is taking the time from the internet, NTP, and is displayed on the Nokia display screen. You can adjust the display with your pot. The reason why I put the pot is because sometimes it's like this, okay? And now you think it's not working, but it is working. The problem is here on your coding. See, display set a constant 50. You can put it up to 100 and still the contrast shows blank. So sometimes, not always, but sometimes it's better maybe to have a potentiometer. Okay, so you got the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. The other things that you got to do on the code in here, is that you got to put, I put my time is Cape Town. See, NTP client, adjust the UTC +2 zone, which is my area, okay? So if you want your area, you got to change this setting here. You know which part of the world you're going to be. Okay, so that's it. There's not much, but it's a nice project. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do the one with the weather. Okay, guys, have a good Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye, and give me a thumbs up if you like it.